how to download and install Adobe Photoshop in Windows 11. Now the easiest way to do this is to come to the Microsoft Store here. If you don't have it on your taskbar, you can search here for Store. And this should bring up the Microsoft Store link. Press it. Let's open up the Microsoft Store. Once it's loaded, search for Adobe Photoshop. Now you'll see it here. You can select Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Photoshop Express. It's entirely up to you. Select it and you should see this big install button here. Press that and it should quickly download for you. Then go to installing. Once it's fully installed, you'll then be able to use Adobe Photoshop in Windows 11. So that's how to easily download and install Adobe Photoshop in Windows 11. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.